Welcome to the drawing.
Today we are gonna draw an eagle. So let's get started.
First, we're gonna draw the head. So let's get started with the head. And draw the beak that goes peck, peck, peck on everything. Gonna draw a nose. I'm gonna draw eyeballs. Got coloring his eyeballs. He has a great eagle sack, so make it your eyes real good. We'll draw another fuzzy head.
This step you would want to draw lightly
Because
we're gonna erase this. Just a shape.
big potatoes. And draw each wing. Wingy. I'm gonna draw darkly over it.
Not that dark.
Not dark as a back there. And do detail. Detail never saw before. I'm gonna draw little feet that's trying to grab stuff. And draw knives. I'm gonna draw the other one, the other talon. We're gonna draw some fluffy, fuzzy, very furry feathers on his body. And like smiles on his face. Smile. He has a bunch of mouths. So, smile it. A bunch of smiles. Smiles everywhere. Arms like that. That side is his body. And then I'm gonna draw its back. Its back. Like a fluffy, birdie, fuzzy, furry. Oopsie. Then you're gonna go over that and do bumpy lines. And it should look like a we're gonna draw some more on the wing. Erase some and make it look very fluffy. Because the eagle is very hairy. I'm gonna erase some of that line we drew. Gonna go over like a little texture. We're gonna draw a couple layers of feathers on the wing. Not like multiples, just a couple. I didn't say multiples. I said a couple. Like I said, an eagle is very detailed. An eagle is very detailed. Now we're going to work on that other one. It's basically the same thing. These feathers look different because you're seeing him on the side. But like my hands look different in a shape when I go like this. Very, very detailed. Now we're going to add feathers just like we did on the other wing. Very furry. Draw lines like we did on the other one. Couple of feathers. Right there.
The end. Thank you for
Watching this video. Bye. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe for more.